There's a reason why benzoyl peroxide is so popular, because it works. It's one of the most effective over-the-counter acne treatments there is. But if you aren't using it correctly, then you could be missing out on all the acne fighting benefits it provides and end up having a love-hate relationship with the product like I once did. In this video, I'll go over how to use benzoyl peroxide for the best results. I'll go over some do's and don'ts and how long you can expect for it to kick in and clear your acne once and for all, so you don't want to miss this. Stay tuned till the end. Hi guys, it's EltaMD Media Pharmacist here on YouTube, where I help you guys make better and more informed decisions about your health and wellness. This week's video is on how to use benzoyl peroxide for the best results. Be sure to smash that like button below now to help more people find this video so we can all beat that stubborn acne together. Also, while you're at it, hit that subscribe button too to stay up to date with new weekly videos. Let's face it, there may have been a point where you've already used benzoyl peroxide and given up on it. This week's video is not to discourage you, it's actually to help reintroduce you to the product and guide you step by step on how to use it correctly. So let's begin. Step 1. By the way, if you don't have any on you, I left one that I personally recommend in the description below, which seems to be the one most dermatologists are recommending these days. So go ahead and pick one up, then come back to this video to go over it one more time. The first thing you want to do, if this is your first time trying it, wash your hands with soap and water for 30 seconds and then spot test it to make sure you don't have any serious reactions to it. Apply a small amount to 1 or 2 small affected areas of the skin and do this for 3 days. And if you don't experience any discomfort or any unusual stinging, then go ahead to step 2. If you experience an allergic reaction, stop the product immediately and get medical help right away. Step 2. Wash your face first with a mild cleanser. I currently use CeraVe's Hydrating Facial Cleanser. It's gentle and has been shown to work time and time again without disrupting the skin's protective barrier. It might be more ideal to do this at nighttime before bed, especially when you're unwinding and removing all that makeup. So go ahead and wash your face, then afterwards, gently pat dry with a clean towel and wait until your face is fully dry to move forward. And I stress both words. Gently pat dry and clean towel. You don't want to be aggressive when drying, and you want to make sure you aren't using a dirty towel because that's counterintuitive. You all know that. Step 3. After you've washed your face, apply your 2.5% benzoyl peroxide, and it's important to start with the lowest strength first, then work your way up if necessary. This is because lower concentrations of benzoyl peroxide have been found to work as effective as higher concentrations without all the drying effects. A rookie mistake I made back in the day was to start off with 5 or 10%, thinking it's going to work faster. It actually ends up drying the face, causing flakiness and irritation. So your best bet is to go with the 2.5% in the beginning, and apply just enough of it to cover the affected areas and rub it in gently. Now remember, it doesn't have to be applied to your entire face. You could actually just focus in on your troubled areas, the T-zone being a popular one. You could slowly incorporate using it twice a day, once in the morning and once at night, and follow all the same steps after about a week or so, giving your skin enough time to get used to the new medicine. Make sure to avoid sensitive areas like the eyes, nostrils, and mouth when applying. Step 4. After you've applied it, leave it on for about 2 hours. You might feel a mild burning sensation and redness, but don't worry, it'll pass. Keep in mind, if you're using a benzoyl peroxide in the form of a wash, you can leave it on for about 2 to 3 minutes and then wash it off, and you don't have to wait for the full 2 hours. Gels or creams might work better as a leave-on treatment, so it's important to distinguish between which form you're using and how long to keep it on for. Gels and creams 2 hours, washes 2 to 3 minutes. Step 5. Now you're ready to wash it off. Rinse your face with some lukewarm water and not hot water. This is another mistake I see people making. Hot water opens up pores and stimulates excess sebum production. So make sure it's lukewarm, which is defined as something just hot enough that you can still comfortably wash your hands in. Afterwards, pat dry with another clean towel. One downside to benzoyl peroxide is that it bleaches things. If you have dark hair, you'll want to keep it away from your hairline, as it can potentially bleach your hair. That said, keep it away from anything else you don't want to stain. But hold on, you're not done yet. Step 6. After you've washed it off, apply a moisturizer right away. Because let's face it, there's no 2 ways to go about it. Benzoyl peroxide will dry out your skin. It's the most common side effect. But if you have a super oily skin, it might not bother you as much, but most people find it too dry and causing flakiness and peeling. So as a pro tip, use a non-comedogenic moisturizer that won't clog your pores, and also make sure it's fragrance free. I recommend using the CeraVe PM Facial Moisturizing Lotion that has all the right ceramides to keep your skin moisturized throughout the night. Now go get some beauty sleep. Step 7. After you've had some beauty sleep, hopefully, you want to make sure you use a sunscreen during the day if you're exposed to the sun. This is because benzoyl peroxide can cause photosensitivity, making you more prone to sunburn and sun damage. For this, choose a sunscreen that's oil-free with an SPF of at least 30 and use it every day to the best you can. You'll protect yourself from skin cancer and premature aging, which are all bonuses. Click the video on the upper right-hand corner that goes in depth on how to choose the right sunscreen. All the products I mentioned will be linked in the description below, so don't forget to check those out. And now for the burning question, no pun intended. When will I finally see results? Results can be seen in as little as 5 days, but generally takes about 8 to 10 weeks sometimes to see noticeable improvements. So my best advice here is to continue with the treatment for at least 6 weeks before deciding if it's working for you or not. The most common reason as to why it ends up not working is giving up too soon, thinking that the treatment doesn't work at all. And I've been guilty of this, so just don't give up just yet. If, however, your skin hasn't improved after 2 months, then make an appointment to speak with your dermatologist, who will advise you about other viable options. In the end, benzoyl peroxide is effective and reliable for acne because there are so many different mechanisms going on at once. It's antimicrobial in that it destroys the bacteria that causes acne. It's anti-inflammatory, which calms down those angry large red pimples. It's comedolatic, which means it opens up the pores and decreases the inflammation on the site. And finally, acts as an exfoliant as well to help with your skin's overall appearance. That's a lot of benefits, and I hope that this video demonstrates to you how you could soak them all up. I also hope that you achieve your skincare goals even sooner. Like the video if you did enjoy it, and subscribe to stay on board with all my other weekly health and wellness videos. Thanks for sticking tuned all the way till the end, and as always, I'll see you on the next one.